This is probably one of my favorite parameters that I use. Right down here at the bottom, version control project folder, version control rev number. Now this is really, really cool. Because what we do is we have placed onto our document, we use that parameter. We use an SVN. We use a design repository for all our designs. All right? And what happens when you save your design and you commit it back to the repository after you're done doing what you're doing, is it gives it a unique number. Every single file that you commit back, it gives it a unique number. That's a parameter. That is a parameter that you can use. So what we do is that version control project number and that version control rev number, we actually put on all our documents. We also put it on our PCB as a parameter. So every time you're working, if you're working on your PCB, and we're going to see this in a few minutes when we get into PCB side, every time you commit your project back to the repository, and that number is updated, it's also updated on your documents. Now, how can this be helpful? Well, you know what? If I'm looking at a schematic a year from now, and I'm looking and I'm thinking, well, where is this schematic? What version of this schematic? Well, every time we committed it back, we get that number. That four-digit number for us right now, all right? That number is placed on every single document. And we can look at that number and say, yep, at 5489. That tells us exactly, we open that project, we open what's called the storage manager, where all the storage of the repository is done. And we look at that and we go down to number 5489. We open that document in the storage manager. There it is, the exact document.